Hi gang, I do hope you're well. Okay, I'm going to make some jewellery today. As you can see, it's some fox jewellery. So if you follow my channel, you will know that I have a small animal rescue. And I always say, fur, feather and fins. I'm going to come up again, I seem too far away. See, we've got the mascot. So if you follow my channel, you will know I'm very passionate about animals, animal rescue. And when I can, I also support other rescues. So I'm going to make some fox jewellery today. Now I do have a big favour to ask of you. It won't cost you any money. I'm not asking you to buy anything. I'll put my stats up on the screen. Now I'm trying to get monetized, not so that I can go and have my hair done and my nails done. I'm really trying my best to get monetized. Why do I want to get monetized? Because I'm going to be able to help more fur babies. Don't get me wrong, I would love I use my phone to record. I would love a DSLR camera to take really good close-up shots of my jewelry, maybe even a vlogging camera. Yeah, all is well and good, but I am passionate about animal rescue. That is what makes me happy, not the getting out there and telling you and say, oh, well done Claire. Not that. If I can help an animal in any way, it's why I'm on this earth. They mean so much to me. Now I don't want to make it a sad, I don't want to make it like doom or gloom or anything. Now I've only told one person in my YouTube family. 6 years ago I lost my stepdad of 24 years to suicide, and I had 3 ratties, Gloria, Blue and Jiggy. Now when this happened, I had to sort everything out, and my mum was a mess. She found him. I had to sort everything out. Like, I had to put all my grievance to one side and deal with like coroners and finances. Anyway, my girls got me through one of the worst times in my life. When I was sad, oh gosh, Claire, don't cry. Claire, do not cry. When I was sad, do not cry. When I was sad, they would climb up my legs and go on my shoulder. Would come for cuddles. They knew, and I would talk to them. And if I would love, I don't have any tattoos. I would love to get a tattoo of 3 rats, of my 3 girlies. Now don't get me wrong, we've had lots of rats. We've had lots of ratties that have passed that mean the world to me, but these 3 girlies really got me through. So no, I love rats. They're so misunderstood. They make the most wonderful pets, but sadly they don't live long enough, and most of them do get tumours. I found do get tumours, which are very expensive to get removed. But I'm really terribly needle phobic, but as an appreciation I would love to get one on my shoulder, but I'd probably pass out. I'm hopeless. Now my mum is very passionate about her foxes, and basically on a night time they have time slots that they come and she feeds them. I'll see if I can find a few videos of when we go to visit her. You've got certain time slots, and I keep saying about putting a camera up so we can watch them. So the jewellery I'm going to make today is, there is a Facebook group called the Fox Rescuers, and they've got an auction page. It's here in the UK and they've got an auction page. So I thought, I've just missed one of their auctions. I haven't made anything for them before, but this is what this is going to be. So I'm going to make a ring, 2 pairs of earrings and 2 hair clips with foxes, with fox cabochons on the front. Take some photos, send the details, and then I'll cover the postage as well, and then they will have much better a much better chance of raising funds with their followers, of Fox followers, with the followers on their group. I've been going over a year now. I've got the subscribers, but I don't have the watch hours. Now, from memory, I will pull a link up. I think I've got something like 1,500 subscribers. And so you would think, oh, well, you won't have a problem getting those 4,000 watch hours. But the trouble is, when I first started out, I did shorts. I did YouTube shorts, and the people that watch YouTube shorts are not going to watch your long form content. Also, I've got quite a few people for my days out videos, and obviously they are not going to watch my jewellery tutorials, which is what my channel is about, and not expect them to. Not that I am expecting them to at all. There's nothing worse than having to watch something that you're not interested in. And what happens with YouTube, after a year, let's just say you've got 1,000 watch hours. After exactly a year, it doesn't go back to zero, but if, say, let's say January the 1st, you had 10 watch hours the year before, you have to get over 10 hours to start to come to build up those 1,000 watch hours. If you don't get 10 watch hours, then you drop down, so you'll go down to like 900 and something. When you first start a YouTube channel, or I found in my case, really push your videos out to people. They're trying to find out what you do, the type of people that are going to follow you. So what I'm asking for is, it'll take a little bit of time and a little bit of your electricity. I've got different playlists. I have a huge one that probably take days to play, called Making Jewellery with Me, or I've got other ones that's bracelet tutorials, earring tutorials, necklace tutorials. And I would love if you could click on a playlist. Now, if you really want to support me, click on one of those playlists, mute me so you don't have to hear me yak, 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 yak. I'm not asking you to like and comment on the videos. It's purely for the watch hours, purely for the watch hours. YouTube are about 5 or 6 days behind in updating, and I'll update you along the way what my watch hours are. Then when I contact the Fox Rescuers with pictures and whatnot, I'll let you know how they do. I mean, I'm not sure. I think you have to say about what you want minimum, but I don't know, anything helps, isn't it? I'll cover postage, anything helps. So I don't know, I'll start at £1 or something. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what you're supposed to do. So if you could just mute me, pick a playlist, go out for a walk, or go about your day. It would be so helpful. It would be so helpful. If you do it, thank you so much. It will just help me, something that makes me happy and gets me up in the morning. So let me show you what I'm going to do. These are the Fox cabochons, and they're made of glass. I've just got a small little handmade tag. This is the 12mm cabochon ring. This one is stainless steel. I've got this type of hair grip, and then we've got this type. I thought this would be quite good for a child. And we've got the earrings with some backs. Dab of glue. Make sure the fox is facing the way we want it to. There's our ring. We've got the hair clip. As I say, all these supplies are available on the website. So if that's in your hair, I think I will have that one going downwards that way. There we go, there's that one. And then this one, I'm trying to think how it would be in your hair. Again, I think I'll do it this way. We'll do it this way. Or should I have it this way? If you could like and comment on this video, it would really help. You can just put a love heart. If you don't know what to say, it's absolutely fine. Put funny faces, anything. There's that one. And then we've got the earrings. Another earring. I've got the tank running in the background, if you can hear water or a filter. For the froggies and the shrimpy. So that's those. Alright, I just need to, I've got the glue coming out, I need to wipe it off. There we go. We'll just, I keep saying I'll do a tutorial on how to use these. This has been really busy at the moment. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of thread here. I just use whatever's hanging about. Just helps people to see that it's handmade. I'll just pop it on the ring. There we are. It just helps them to see that it's handmade, and then I'll attach to cards and I'll let you know how it goes. So if you've got this far, thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you can, just watch a playlist and mute me. It would mean the world to me. That way we can get monetized and help more animals. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day and happy crafting.